Myself, M.A. Mahant, working in Computer Science and Engineering Department as an assistant professor in Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. So today we are going to discuss the topic of the subject business intelligence, that is evolution of information system. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to describe about evolution of information system. Now we are going to see introduction of evolution of information system. The evolution of information system in business intelligence shows how organization moved from simple data handling to advanced analytics for decision making. The evolution of information system in business intelligence moved from basic transaction system to reporting, to decision support, to executive dashboards, to enterprise-wide business intelligence applications, to big data and predictive analysis, to AI-driven real-time and self-service business intelligence. So actually, this is the evolution of information system. Now we are going to see all the information systems one by one. First is data processing systems. The first early stage, there will be a use of data processing system in the year 1960 to 1970s. It focuses on automating routine tasks and transaction recording. The tools used for this early stage data processing systems are punch cards, file-based system, batch processing. Usage in business intelligence is minimal, only for storing and retrieving structured data. For example, payroll, inventory management system and billing system. The next system is management information systems. In management information systems, this will be arised from 1970s to 1980s. It focuses on generating reports for managers. The tools used for this MIS or management information systems are mainframes, database, report generators. The business intelligence role are standard reports, daily sales, financial summaries, etc. The limitations for these management information systems are static, structured and predefined reports. There will not be any flexibility or no flexibility for management information system. Third is decision support systems. In decision support system, this arises from 1980s to 1990s. It focuses on supporting semi-structured decision making. Tools used for decision support systems are relational databases, online analytic processing queries, that is OLAP. The business intelligence role are what if analysis, forecasting, multidimensional data views, for example, sales trend analysis, financial planning models. The next one is executive information system and data warehousing. So this executive information system and data warehousing arises in 1990s. It focuses on high-level dashboards for executives. The tools used for this executive information system and data warehousing are data warehouses, extraction transform load, that is ETL processes. Business intelligence role are integration of enterprise-wide data into a central repository. Advancement in this are the KPI indexing, scorecards, drill down analysis. The fifth one is data management and storage. Here business intelligence arises in 2000s. It focuses on converting data into actionable insights. The tools used for these BI suites, Congos, business objects, MicroStrategy. The business intelligence role are ad hoc reporting, OLAP dashboards, visualization, etc. The impact of this business intelligence is on data-driven culture begins to grow in organizations. Sixth one is advanced analytics and big data. It will be arises in era 2010s. It focuses on handling massive unstructured real-time data. The tools used are Hadoop, Spark, NoSQL, data lakes. The business intelligence role are predictive analytics, machine learning integration. For example, customer have prediction, fraud detection, recommendation engines. Seventh one is modern BI, that is AI driven and self service, that will be present in the era 2020 to present. It focuses on democratization of data, real time decision making, tools used for the Power BI, Tableau, Q like AI ML, cloud based BI, or cloud based business intelligence. The business intelligence rules are self service analytics, natural language queries, AI driven insights. Trends are augmented analytics, real time dashboards, embedded business intelligence, mobile business intelligence, etc. The next system is intelligent support system. Intelligent support system include expert systems which provide the stored knowledge of experts to non-experts, and a new type of intelligent system which machine learning capability that can learn from historical cases. An intelligent support system is a computer based system that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide sophisticated support for decision making and complex tasks by emulating human knowledge, instinct, and experience. These systems analyze data, discover insights, and automate solutions to help users. So, in many commercial applications or in any industrial application, this intelligent support system can be used. The next one is knowledge management systems. So, knowledge management system supports the creating, gathering, organizing, integrating, and disseminating of organizational knowledge. A knowledge management system is an IT system designed to capture, organize, share, and utilize an organization's collective knowledge to improve efficiently collaboration and decision making. The three major types of knowledge management systems are enterprise wide knowledge management system, knowledge work systems, and intelligent techniques. So knowledge management system is also having some industrial or any commercial advantages. So knowledge management system helps for analyzing the data, or it provides the structured or unstructured formation of the data in a particular form that can be used in the analysis and used for the decision making. Next one is end user computing. End user computing, the use of development of information systems by the principal users of the systems outputs such as analytics manager and other professionals. End user computing, that is called EUC in business intelligence, refers to empowering non-technical users to create and manage business intelligence applications and dashboards, often through user-friendly and platforms and tools, enabling them to analyze data and drive business insights independently. EUC means end user computing platform provide a user with the ability to access, analyze and visualize data without requiring in-depth programming skills. So here in end user computing, the user will be making the analysis of the data user friendly. Also some tools, some platforms are provided for analyzing this data here in end user computing. So end user computing friendly using the BI applications for analysis of data. Next is mobile computing. Mobile computing, information system that support employees who are working with customers or business partners outside the physical boundaries of their company, can be done over wire or wireless networks. Mobile business intelligence or mobile business intelligence is the process of delivering business intelligence, analytics, and data visualization to users on mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, enabling them to access, analyze information in real time to make timely driven decisions. Now I am going to ask the question to all the students, and four options are given. You have to select any one option for the answer of this question. This is think and write. Dash supports the creating, gathering, organizing, integrating, and disseminating of organization knowledge. Options are A. Knowledge management system, B. End user system, C. Decision support system, D. None of these. Pause the video and write the answer. The correct answer is knowledge management system. So knowledge management system support the creating, gathering, organizing, integrating and disseminating of organizational knowledge. Next is office automation systems. Office automation systems such as word processing systems were developed to support office and clerical workers. An office automation system uses the computer hardware and software to automate routine office tasks and streamline workflows by creating, collecting, storing and processing the data electronically, reducing human intervention, errors and paperwork. Common functions include document management, electronic communication, task tracking, scheduling and workflow automation. Classification of information system. This is can be done, that is on organizational level. So classification by organizational level, the typical enterprise is organized hierarchically with the with the clerical and office worker layer, the operational layer, the managerial layer, the knowledge worker layer, and finally the strategic layer. Classification of information system. So classification by organization level in big data analytics involve categorizing data based on its sensitivity value and risk of exposure to assign appropriate protection measures and access controls needed with the common levels including public, internal, confidential and restricted. This framework helps organizations manage risks, ensure compliance with the regulations like GDPR and HIPAA, and define appropriate access controls for their big data assets, enabling secure and effective data utilization for strategic decision making. These are the references. Thank you.